Hello and welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to search for a word in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. At first, open your Google Docs file. Now you have to press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard, and a small search bar will appear in the top right corner. Now type the word you are looking for. As you see, it will highlight every instance of that word in the document. You can use the arrows to jump between each match. So, there you have it. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.